number 28. Jersey number 28. Tumira ng press ng good. Dahil ang jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Chilapit na taas. Jersey number 23. Tumira ulit ng press.
3 points.
Kalimakay dyan. Kalimakay.
Score natin, 24-13. 24-15. Oy, kayo.
Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo dribbling the ball, and plays Sarada. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo dribbling the ball, passes jersey number 28. Passes jersey number 21, Tumira, no dribble. Nakapang jersey number 20, passes jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, sububok ng press. Pass jersey number 21, no good. Now jersey number 1, pass jersey number 23. Relegated to us, Sangola. Jersey number 6, no good. Now jersey number 6. Let's say time out at 4. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Zoom the press, no good. Now jersey number 6, pass jersey number 10. Pass jersey number 23, Lagarasa. Pass jersey number 24. Tumira ng press, no good. Pass jersey number 21. Pass jersey number 28. Lopez, no good. Pass jersey number 24. Jersey number 24, pass jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. 15 seconds to play. Score po natin
31-15. 16-point lead by Roca. 16 points ang inaabol ng Puro 4. Laki nun. Andito pa rin tayo sa semis Laglagan sa Barangay Tabe. It's a battle between Roca and Puro 4. Second period na tayo, may timeout. 31-15, 16-point lead by Roca. Shout out Simon Gabriel. Thanks for watching. Intense yung defense ng Roca dito.
Jersey number 7, no good na kay jersey number 6, pass jersey number 23. Lagaras, pass jersey number 4, Chihuahua. Between and then shot. Jersey number 24, dribbling the ball, pass jersey number out of bounds. Good on the ball. Jersey number 27. Billy Yard dribbling the ball. Jersey number 27. Between and then shot. Pass jersey number 7, Panada no good. Now for jersey number 12. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass jersey number 6 and 12. Pass again to jersey number 12. Subok ng taras no good.